Hello everybody, this is Julius Blackshear Jr., owner and founder of Visionary Vending, and today I'm going to show you, I want to change my bill acceptor, and so I'm going to take out the old one and put a new one in. Alright, so the first step, which I already did, would be to unplug your machine. So that's what I did already, so the power is out. Then the next step would be to open the machine up, and you're supposed to have two tools, like a screwdriver, which I have this screwdriver that has both flat head and Phillips head, and I have this metric 9 by 75 millimeter what do you want to call it, I guess you could call it a screwdriver, but that's not the proper term for this one. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this out and remove this. And then the next step after that will be to take this out as well. This is the coin acceptor. So the coin acceptor and the bill acceptor I'm going to take out and put a new one in. And the purpose for me doing this is because I want to put a card reader on my machine. And currently it can't take any card reader based off of how the cords are set up. Alrighty, so I'm going to unscrew these 4 screws that is holding the bill acceptor in place. A little bit more. Alright, that's the second one. Let's see, the third one would be... The third one, the screw is already out. They didn't have the washer on there. And then there's a 4th screw. The next step would be to take the wires out. So I have to take out this wire because it goes to the bill acceptor, and this wire as well. So that's what I'm about to do. Take that out. And there. Alright, so I unplugged these two plugs in these 2 spots. So now, let's see. Boom. So this is the old bill acceptor that came out. Perfect. Still decent. I might sell this. Alright. The next step would be to remove the coin mechanism. So mine, I unplugged it, and then I have to lift up, take it out, and this is the coin mech. I already removed the coins before the video, so I didn't have to add that in. But these are the 2 pieces that we had to remove. Now, if you want to come with me over here, these are my 2 new bill acceptor and coin mech. So I will start with the coin mech first. Alright, now this coin mech has an MDB cable. And the MDB cable, this will connect to the bill acceptor. And then the bill acceptor has an MDB cable that will connect up here. So, I'm going to place this on here. Boom, that's in place. And that's in place. Alright, so that's in place now. Now I placed the new bill acceptor in. So now I have to connect these 2 cords to, one of the cords will go to the coin and the other cord will go to the mechanism up here. Now the next task will be to put the screws back into place. So one by one. see, I'll start with the bottom because I can see it more clearly. The screwing on stuff is pretty intense. All right, everybody, now that I finished putting the screws back into place, I'm gonna turn the machine on and we're gonna test it out. All right. Wow. Looks pretty good. Everything is working. Now, normally there's a red light here. If a red light is on and it stays on, it's good. And then with this is my first time with this too, but I've seen YouTube videos. It says okay. I believe it's supposed to be a solid flashing light, but we'll see how this works. Okay, now that I completed by putting the screws back into place, I'm going to test it out by putting $1 in the machine and see if it works. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Let's see. Perfect. First time success. My name is Julius Blackshear Jr. I'm the founder and owner of Visionary Vending, and I just showed everyone how to change your bill acceptor and your coin mech. And I'm out.